Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to guide you through the pricing plan for Leonardo AI. We're going to look at individuals, teams, and the API. Let's start with the individual. If you want to unlock the power of Leonardo AI, then subscription is best. So we have the yearly plan and we have the monthly plan. And let's start with the yearly plan, where you pay yearly and save up to 20%. So the first we have is a free plan, which is forever free. You don't pay any money. It's perfect for casual creators who want to explore AI art. But we have the apprentice plan that costs $10 per month. Then we have, which is perfect for hobbies and enthusiasts who create regularly. These are the things you get under it. Then for Artisan Unlimited, this is the best offer. The best offer is Artisan Unlimited plan, where you pay $24 per month. So you just paid for a year, you get to save. Then you have, it's perfect for professional creators, small businesses, and content producers. These are all the things you get under it. Yeah. Then we have the Maestro Unlimited plan, where you pay $40 per month. You see you're saving money if you pay it yearly. It's $40 per month for a year. Then it is perfect for professional creators, small businesses, and content producers. Then lastly, we have Leonardo for teams, which you can get started now. It is perfect for design teams, studios, agencies, and businesses, things that you're going to get under it. So, but what if you decide to just pay monthly as normal? You want to pay monthly, the free plan is still $0 per month forever, like we said. Apprentice plan, you pay $12 per month. If you are paying monthly, you don't want to pay yearly. And at Artisan Unlimited is $30 per month. Maestro Unlimited $60 per month. And Leonardo for teams, still the same. You have to contact them for them to say the price. That's for individuals. So for teams, you can unlock creative collaboration with Leonardo teams. Bring your entire team together to create, train, and generate at scale. So here we have three pricing plans under it. We have the starter plan at $24 per seat, which is $72 for 3 seats, and this is billed monthly excluding tax. You get 75,000 share tokens, 225,000 bank capacity. The other things you get when you subscribe for the starter plan. For team, you have the things you get. Now, if we look at the other plan, we have the growth plan, where you pay $40 per seat, $144 for 3 seats, billed monthly excluding tax. So, and you get 180,000 share tokens, 540,000 bank capacity. These are the other things you get under it. You can see them right here. Now, last is if you need a custom plan for your team, you contact them, you tell you the price you pay and what you get to discuss. You discuss the custom pricing and token location. So you can research on your billing date and everything under here. So just use this custom plan to tailor your plan to your business needs. Then the next we have is the API. Now, this helps you to power your apps. Yes, you get to access high quality image, video, and model generation through a flexible and scalable API that is for developers, platforms, and creative tools. We have the API Basic at $9 per month, excluding tax, where you get 3,500 API credits per month, and you have all the other things you get under it here, right here. Then you also have the API standard plan, where you pay $49 per month, excluding tax. You get 25,000 API credits per month. It's for professional creators, small businesses, and content producers. Here are the things you get under it along with it. Then we also have the API Pro, where you pay $299 per month, excluding tax. You get 200,000 API credits per month. It's for professional creators, small businesses, and content producers. So here are the things under it. And lastly, the API Custom, where you contact them and you can tailor it to your needs. Please be aware that all API requests will cost API credits. So for help, you can check out this page of API documentation. So you can upload your advertising visuals to Leonardo AI. What are you waiting for? Check it out today.